To set up AWS Amplify identity pools, start by understanding the concept of identity pools, which are stores of user identity data that can be accessed by your application. AWS Amplify provides a simple and secure way to manage user identities. First, create an AWS account and set up an AWS Amplify project. Then, install the AWS Amplify CLI and initialize your project. Next, configure the authentication category by running the command amplify auth add, and follow the prompts to select the authentication provider, such as Amazon Cognito. After configuring authentication, create an identity pool by running the command amplify auth update, and enable the identity pool feature. This will create a new identity pool in your AWS account. Then, update your application to use the AWS Amplify authentication library to interact with the identity pool. Best practices for setting up identity pools include using secure protocols for data transmission, such as HTTPS, and implementing proper error handling and logging mechanisms. Additionally, ensure that you are complying with relevant data protection regulations, such as GDPR or HIPAA, when storing user identity data. To test your identity pool setup, use the AWS Amplify authentication library to authenticate a user and then access the user's identity data from the identity pool. You can use the AWS Management Console to verify that the user's data is being stored correctly in the identity pool. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up AWS Amplify identity pools securely and efficiently, and provide a seamless authentication experience for your users.